This is my brand new 720S. And let me show you something. Come around here. Look at this, look at this. It's got these fins, and this will give you a hint. Look at this brand new rear diffuser. Right, it's on Velo. First time I'm seeing it, guys. Okay, ready? Oh my goodness. Look at all of this. Oh, carbon fiber everywhere. Oh my goodness. Look at these rims, look at these rims. I love, and look at this, guys. It's got a shark here now instead of a McLaren logo. That is from Top Car in Russia. That took them 6 months to create this body kit. Look. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at these fins here on the back of the spoiler. Don't you love this? This is so cool. And the rear diffuser here. This is all new. Brought in specially for this car from Russia. How crazy. All right. You got the key?
Sure do.
Come around here. Oh, that's cool. It's matching the chrome. Look at these louvers here. I love this. They're so aggressive. This is beautiful. All new carbon fiber bonnet. All right, ready? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I didn't know it was going to look like that. Oh, that is super cool, you guys. It's like snakeskin underneath the carbon fiber. That is awesome. Look, you need matching seat belts, and look at this. How freaking cool is that? My ASP logo. That was a surprise to me. Thank you, Dimitri. It looks awesome. And now, all right, my first drive. I've been waiting months for this. Start.